So I said, why not just make this video while I'm in the garage doing this. This is an 87 Buick Regal Turbo T, I believe this one is. I'm actually working on the rear seat frame bracing. Take a look at it here. You have to, this is just strengthening the chassis of the car. So it's a pretty simple install, but you do have to remove the items in the trunk. And there are directions available online, I believe, when you purchase the kit. This is for my dad, so he actually bought the kit and had me put it in and just sent me the directions. But either way, I figured I'd just make a quick video. I'll throw it up because this is what I'm doing instead of some other things right now. But the rear seat, the bottom rear seat, you just push on it, you push down on it and it'll unclick, and then you lift it up out of these grooves. And then in the back where the seat belts are in the corners, they look like this. They'll look something like this here. And then you got to take the Torx, the T45 Torx that you got to use to take out. There's one on each corner. And then you just slide the seat up. The seat will slide. The seat will slide up. And after that, you got this black stuff, like this insulation that's in the way. Like right now, I'm just kind of moving it as I need to, but I got to drill some holes in here. You got some holes that you got to drill through and then put the bolts from this side to the other side. And then up here is where I had to drill a hole too. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting it to fit right because it's not like, you know, a perfectly machined kit. It's just kind of these pipes that are bent and then flattened at the end. Let's see if I get a light in there a little bit better. There we go. So they just go up. But figured since I'm doing it, I'll make the video real quick, post it up. It's only a couple minutes long. Like I said, the directions are online, so I'm not going to get too much into that. I figured I would just show you what it looked like if you want to take a look. That's what I'm doing today.